Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. So finally we are painting our house. So I just want to give you tips on how to organize yourself to get the painters have space to paint. This is because you have a lot of stuff. It's not an empty house. So I have a few tips for you right here. So let's get started. So to get started, before the painters came, I moved everything in the center of the room. So they're painting the basement. So I put everything in the center of the room. And the painters brought all the coverings for the floor. And they are covering all my valuables, as you can see, which is great. So all they need is space around. So everything needs to go in the middle. And they make sure they cover the carpet so everything is nice and clean when they leave. So this is the main room of the basement. And this is another room. So the painters brought this plastic to cover the floor and everything. So I just put everything in the middle so nothing gets damaged, even this sofa. So it's all covered up. Now, this is a room that I'm prepping for before they enter again. I put everything in the middle, and I'm also doing a lot of sorting. So I'm throwing out things like this, the garbage that I have, which I know I don't need. So I'm just sorting out while the painters come. I need to empty the walls for them to paint. So, and here is my shelf that I'm trying to empty as much as possible. But you need to have everything away from the wall. I'm putting away my other things in a room that's not going to get painted. So this is the furnace room. So I'm putting away everything here. So I hide it away and they get space. So this is how you sort out before you either paint yourself or hire a painter. So thank you for watching Friendly Advice. Please subscribe to my channel and share and like my video. And happy painting and happy summer.